Ay, sorry, bumsali ako. Okay, go!
Judy! Mabuhay! Hi, I'm Vinnie Colette and siguro wolf na lang.
Wolf, because...
Yun yung emoji ko sa Vinnie. Hi everyone, I'm Mika and I will choose a bird so I can fly.
Oh! But all of you are flying na. Oh, di ba? Nag-fly naman talaga ng bonggang Vinnie.
Hi, I'm Maloy, and if I would be an animal, I want to be a butanding.
Ay, ko naman, Maloy! Kakantahan naman tayo.
I want to be a whale so I can swim.
Sakit naman.
Hi, I'm Joanna and sisiu para sisiu kitin
Napandar!
Hi guys, I'm Sheena and if I were to be an animal, I would be I would like to be a rabbit. Thank you.
Bakit daw? Bakit rabbit?
Why not?
Hey!
Hi everyone, I'm Gwen. If I were to be an animal, I would be koala because I'm clingy. And yun rin yung emoji ko sa...
Hi everyone, I'm Aya, and if I were an animal, it would be a dog because most dogs love adventures, and I love adventures. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Venus Daisy. And if I were to be an animal, I would like to be a quokka kasi they're the happiest animal on earth. Quokka. Search it now so you know.
Ay, hindi ko rin alam yun. Pero thank you, guys. Paupuin na muna natin yung
And we are Vinnie.
Thank you. Ayan,